Hi, I'm Marian El Narag in BS Pharmacy 1A, and I will explain the local history of our municipality of Tuguegarao City. Tuguegarao, officially the city of Tuguegarao. Inibanag, Ciudad Nat Tuguegarao. Itawit, Ciudad Yo Tuguegarao. Ilocano, Ciudad T Tuguegarao. Tagalog, Lungsod ng Tuguegarao. Locally is a third-class component city and the capital of the province of Cagayan. A major urban center and the primary growth center in the northeastern Luzon, it is the regional center of Cagayan Valley and also the regional institutional and administrative center. Damb as the gateway to the Ilocanja and the Cordilleras. The city is located on the southern border of the province where the Pinakanawan River empties into the Cagayan River. It is surrounded by the Sierra Madre Mountains to the east, Cordillera Mountains to the west, and the Caraballo Mountains to the south. And this is the highest temperature ever recorded in the Philippines. 42.2 Celsius is the Tuguegarao City. Origin of the name. These are several versions of the origin of the name. Tuguegarao. One is the abundance of the taraw is trees in the area. Another is garao, meaning Swiss current, possibly of the Pinakanawan River. Another is from the word tugi, meaning fire. Another recorded version is the town was formerly called Tuerao by the people of the northern towns. Still another is that the name Tuguegarao comes from the two Ibanag words, tugi, fire, and agaw, day, possibly referring to the day and time. Fire that happened in the town. So, it means tugi, fire, and agaw, day, Tuguegarao. And the Tuguegarao, capital of the Cagayan province. Tuguegarao became the capital of Cagayan province in 1839 when the provincial seat of power was relocated from the Lalo. The decline of the Lalo became the transformation of Tuguegarao as the most important town in Cagayan. And in barangays, Tuguegarao had 49 barangays, 12 of which were urban. The late 1980s saw the gradual expansion of the urban core of Tuguegarao to the outlying barangays of Ugak, Caritan, and Atulayan. With the fast rising prices of real estate in the poblacion city center, residents found it profitable to sell their properties in the poblacion and buy lots in the surrounding barangay neighborhoods, but still close to the amenities of the city. And the culture of Tuguegarao City, the Afi Festival is an annual festival every August, celebrate in commemoration of the city patron saint San Jacinto de Polonia, whose feast day falls on August 16. It came from the Ibanag word Afi, meaning fire. And land, a cultural icon of the Philippines with unique design. Tuguegarao's tricycles offer shared vehicle for hire services for small groups of passengers on a common route over short distances. In healthcare, being the regional center, Tuguegarao hosts major hospital which serve people in the Cagayan Valley region. Cagayan Valley Medical Center, the largest medical facility in the Cagayan Valley with a bed capacity of 500, is situated in the city. The largest privately owned facility in the region is the 250-bed Dr. Roland B. Guzman Medical Center at tertiary level hospital. St. Paul University, Philippines has affiliate hospital in Tuguegarao, the St. Paul Hospital, Cagayan's oldest existing private hospital. The Dr. Domingo S. De Leon General Hospital, formerly Clinica De Leon, is also situated in the city. Other hospitals in the city are the government-owned and run Tuguegarao City People's General Hospital and the Holy Infant Hospital, as well as the privately owned Divine Mercy Wellness Center. In education, Tuguegarao has been dubbed as the center of education in Cagayan Valley. It is home to prestigious and internationally recognized schools such as St. Paul University Philippines, the main campus of the St. Paul University system, and the University of St. Louis Tuguegarao, one of the CICM school, Ateneo de Tuguegarao, the country's fifth Ateneo run by the Society of Jesus, was established in 1945 but eventually closed in 1962 with the Jesuit exodus. Two of the top state universities are also in Tuguegarao City, the CSU Atenea Andrus Campus and the CSU Red Eagle Carig Campus, producing national top-notcher in board examination. Both universities have their own administration, are separated from each other. And this is my explanation about the local history of Tuguegarao City. Thank you.